YouTube? Finna install these Octane LED color shift headlights in this car. And our neighbor don't. 7 tray. So yeah, finna put y'all in time lapse and give y'all a walk around too and show y'all the interior on the car. This thing pretty clean, y'all. Got the candy paint on it, everything, drop top. So yeah, I'm finna show y'all this. And yeah, we're gonna get to it. Alright, y'all, had to come here real quick. We in cinematic, I think. But y'all might be thinking like why I didn't build the headlights or something like that, because y'all know I build headlights and stuff like that. But circles I don't build right now. Specifically because as y'all see, those are circles that do just about the things I do. And it's really not much I can do with it. Just hit the power button. On the other side, bro. Like these are the ones I offer.
For 4x6.
Yeah.
In euros.
I ain't got the app. I can't control them and everything, which I still might get into it one day. But that's why I really don't offer them. I haven't got into it because there's so much things on the market for circle halos, because all it is a circle halo. So it's like you really come out cheaper buying those. And that's just me trying to get y'all the best price. Cause me with these, obviously, I can charge what I want for those because you're not gonna find them. But circle halos, you're gonna find everything that my bad, y'all. He distracted me because he's talking loud. But with circle headlights, you're gonna basically find what I make for cheaper. Because I really can't do much with a circle halo headlight. It's just gonna take a circle. But back to that video, y'all. Y'all. Got it hooked up. They working good. As y'all can see. So yeah, only thing I'm gonna have to figure out possibly with the TR, because I got it wired up with it, but that might be making that change colors. So might have to figure that out real quick, y'all. Alright, fade back. Alright, y'all. Got them hooked up. The thing is bright. We'll remote it. Hold on, y'all. But y'all had to turn that brightness down for y'all to see. Got the headlight hooked into the Tiara, so they kind of run off the same remote. You just gotta find out which button control which one. So yeah, y'all, let me turn that brightness up. Y'all see the brightness button make the tiara go off and go on. So yeah, that's what we looking like. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Actually, I can show y'all a little bit of the light. Y'all see. See, the tiara changed with certain buttons. As y'all see, that made it that color. And then when you click the DIY button, make the tiara purple, and then you just hit that purple button, and then you straight. So yeah, y'all, that's what we're looking like. And y'all, I forgot, I did not show y'all. Y'all see you tucking. I didn't show y'all the interior. Clear, clean. Got the LED armrest. Pods in the back. Clean now. Vert, can't forget that. Y'all see. It's pretty clean. 7 tray Caprice. 73. So yeah, y'all. Matching steering wheel. Now that is the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all turn y'all post notifications on so y'all get a notification when we upload a new video. And we out here, y'all.